Welcome back to English on Air, the podcast where adults learn real-life English in a fun and simple way.
Hello, everyone. We're very happy you're here with us today.
Let me start with something honest. I want to change my life.
Okay, that sounds serious. What are you doing today?
I watched videos. I ate fast food. I slept late.
So, nothing changed.
Exactly.
And this is very common. Many people want to change their life, but they don't change their daily habits.
Habits. That's the key word today.
Yes, today we're talking about healthy habits, simple habits that can improve your life and also help you improve your English.
So by the end of this episode, you will learn how to talk about habits in English, understand simple lifestyle vocabulary, and maybe start changing your daily routine.
Let's begin.
Let's imagine a situation. Someone says, I want to change my life.
Okay, so what do they want to change?
They want more energy, better health, better focus, better English.
Good goals. But what is the problem?
They don't know where to start. Many people make big plans. I will wake up at 5 a.m. I will go to the gym every day. I will study English 2 hours daily.
Very ambitious, but not realistic.
After 3 days, they stop.
Yes, because the plan is too big. Here is the first rule. Start small.
How small?
Very small. Example, drink 1 glass of water in the morning, walk 10 minutes. Listen to English 5 minutes.
That sounds easy.
Exactly. If it's easy, you continue.
Let's build a simple, healthy routine. Morning, wake up, drink water.
Good. Then, listen to English for 5 to 10 minutes.
Afternoon, walk a little, maybe 10 minutes.
Evening, speak English for 5 minutes. Review some words.
That's not difficult.
No, it's simple and realistic.
Let's compare. Unhealthy habits. Sleeping very late. Eating fast food every day. No exercise. Too much phone.
Healthy habits. Sleeping early. Drinking water. Moving your body. Learning something new.
Small differences. Big results.
Healthy habits give you energy. More energy equals better focus. Better focus equals better learning.
So, habits help your English too.
Exactly. If you feel tired all the time, you don't study.
Let's imagine someone named Youssef. Youssef wants to improve his life. He starts small. Drinks more water. Sleeps earlier. Listens to English every day.
After 1 month, more energy, better focus, better English.
Simple actions, big change.
Let's review important words. One habit. Meaning something you do regularly. Example, studying daily is a good habit.
Two, routine. Meaning your daily activities. Example, my routine is simple.
3, healthy. Meaning good for your body. Example, eating vegetables is healthy.
4, unhealthy. Meaning not good for your body. Example, fast food is unhealthy.
5, improve. Meaning become better. Example, I want to improve my English.
6, energy. Meaning power to do things. Example, I have more energy in the morning. Let's practice together. Repeat after us. I want to build better habits.
I try to wake up early.
I drink more water every day.
I exercise a little every day.
I listen to English daily.
Small habits make a big difference. So now we understand something important. Big change does not come from big actions.
It comes from small habits. Done every day.
But there is one more challenge, staying consistent.
Yes, starting is easy. Continuing is harder.
In the next part, we'll talk about how to stay consistent. how to build habits that last, how to avoid giving up.
Stay with us, because this is where real change happens. So, we talked about starting small, simple habits, easy actions.
Yes, but now comes the real challenge. How do we continue? How do we stay consistent?
Let's be honest. Many people start, but then they stop.
Yes, after a few days, they lose motivation, they feel tired, or they forget.
Or they say, I'll start again tomorrow.
And tomorrow becomes next week.
So, what's the solution?
Make your habits very easy. If it's too hard, you will stop.
Example?
Instead of saying, I will exercise 1 hour, say, I will walk 10 minutes.
Instead of, I will study English 2 hours. Say, I will listen for 10 minutes.
Another important idea, do your habit at the same time every day,
Why?
because your brain remembers. Example, every morning after breakfast, listen to English. Every night before sleep leads to review words.
So it becomes automatic.
Exactly.
Many people want to be perfect.
Yes, and that's a problem, because when they miss one day, they stop completely.
So what should we do?
Be flexible. Miss one day, it's okay. Start again tomorrow.
Progress is better than perfection. I heard about tracking habits.
Yes, that's very useful. You can use a notebook or an app. Every day you practice, you mark it.
Like a check mark?
Exactly. When you see your progress, you feel motivated.
Let's connect this with English.
Good idea. You can listen while walking, speak while alone, review words before sleep.
So English becomes part of your life.
Yes, not a separate activity.
Let's go back to Youssef. Now he adds one more habit. He speaks English for 5 minutes every night.
After 2 months, he feels more confident. He speaks more easily.
Not perfect, but better.
And that's the goal. Let's repeat the main idea. Small habits, every day, big results.
Not big actions one time, but small actions many times.
Let's review keywords. 1. Consistent, meaning doing something regularly. Example, I try to be consistent.
2. Flexible, meaning not too strict. Example, I am flexible with my routine.
3. Track, meaning follow your progress. Example, I track my habits every day.
4. Progress, meaning improvement. Example, I see my progress.
5. Goal, meaning something you want to achieve. Example, my goal is to speak English well.
6. Routine, meaning daily habits. Example, my routine helps me improve. Let's practice together. Repeat after us. I build small habits.
I stay consistent.
I don't need to be perfect.
I start again when I stop.
I improve every day.
Now stronger, I take care of my health.
I improve my lifestyle.
I practice English daily.
Small habits change my life. Before we finish, remember this. You don't change your life in one day.
You change it with small actions, repeated every day.
Drink water. Sleep better. Move your body. Practice English.
Simple things, but very powerful.
Start today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today.
And one day, you will look back and say, my life is better now.
If this episode helped you, share it with someone who wants to improve their life.
Listen again, repeat again, practice every day.
We'll see you in the next episode of
English,
On Air.
keep building good habits.
Keep improving,
Bye.
everyone.